Good afternoon, Automotive Fanatics. It's Peter, your Automotive Fanatic, coming at you with a product review today. Now, today we are going to be installing a set of DEPO LED taillights in the 997. So I went ahead and took apart my stock ones. So here you have the stock ones, and as you can tell, it's a little difficult to see, but they are incandescent lights, so you've got kind of that older look to the taillights. And these ones here are going to be the aftermarket DEPO LED taillights, and as you can tell, it looks substantially different. You've got essentially the LEDs that go around the whole light. You've got the turn signal, which is actually clear in this here, but turns to yellow. And this little unit here is going to be your brake light, and that is actually the only part that is not LED. It's relatively easy for you to change it by simply just pulling out the incandescent bulb and putting a super bright white reverse bulb in. So that's going to be today's project. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this product review. This is what we have for the stock look, guys. So to remove the tail lights, you essentially have two bolts here. Obviously, you access these by opening up your rear deck, but these are going to either be the star bit, or in some cases you may find a Phillips screwdriver. But go ahead and loosen these. You do not have to completely take these off. Essentially loosen them, and what that does is it allows you to just pull the light out just like that. And then the last component is you want to go ahead and disconnect this right here. And there you guys have it. The light has been removed. It is that easy. So taking a look at the new one, this is the mounting bracket here that will go right here. It does not come with this, so you do need to take this off and put it onto the new LED light setup. Here, guys, is the new DEPO LED taillight, and when you are putting it in, if you can take a look here, there is a little groove here that will rest into another bolt. So make sure you align that up. We'll go ahead and do that real quick. First off, let's go ahead and plug this in. Just like such. And what I did was I zip tied these lines together. It was a little loose, so that way it's a little cleaner there. We'll go ahead and kind of tuck this in. And again, make sure that these washers are on the outside of this bracket here. Okay, so it doesn't move at all. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drive this in. I didn't do it too tight. I'll finish it up with a wrench here, but that holds it in pretty well. And that is it to the install. Very simple. We'll do the same thing on the other side, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. So here is the final product. You've got the left side, and let's go ahead and just kind of pan over to the right side. And as you can tell, it definitely has a different look to it. So we'll go in the middle. And now I'll go ahead and show you guys what the turn signals look like. So now that we have the tail lights installed, I just wanted to give you guys a final impression. Overall, I think the product looks fantastic on the older 997.1. I believe the .2s have this look, so it definitely upgrades it and updates the look substantially in my opinion. What I do like the most is that it doesn't throw any codes at this point. I had a chance to test it, do the signals, the braking, and no codes came up, so at least I know that works. The only thing I believe will throw code is if I change that incandescent reverse bulb out to an LED that doesn't have a built-in resistor. So I think that may throw code, but I think these ones actually have built-in resistors, so again, no codes, huge thumbs up on that. The install in itself, unbelievably easy to do. You guys should be able to accomplish both sides within a matter of say 10 to 15 minutes, as it is a true plug and play. So I think you guys will definitely appreciate this upgrade. As usual, I wanted to go ahead and thank you so much for supporting my channel. Feel free to drop any comments or feedback in regards to whether you like these lights or not. This is going to be Peter, your automotive fanatic, signing off until the next time, my friends.